Hi, this is Beatrice with BakeDeco, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this viral comic book cake. We're going to make this cake look like it came straight out of a comic book, and you'll only need a few items to complete this design. You want to make sure that you have an icing smoother, as well as a BakeDeco 804 tip or a large round tip with some buttercream of another color. We're going to make a fake drip with that. We also need our black outline, and for this, we're using a number 3 BakeDeco tip. And we also created some cherries out of modeling chocolate for decoration. We're going to start out by creating our fake chocolate drip, and I'm going to be using my pink icing. And you want to just create the shape of a drip, and you want it to be nice and exaggerated. You want to do that all around your cake. Now we're going to fill in all the spaces. And now we're going to fill in the top. For our next step, we're going to take our icing smoother and we're going to start out by smoothing out the top. We want the top to be nice and flat. Once your top is nice and flat, we are going to move on to the sides. And we are just going to smooth it out and pull away. And then we're going to continue to do that until we don't see any imperfections and you're happy with the shape. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill in across until we're happy with the look, the overall look of the drip. Don't forget that the edges are going to be covered with the black outline. And now we're just gonna smooth out our edges. And now before you begin your black border, we're gonna pipe some cute, fluffy swirls just right on top of the cake. And we're gonna do 5 of those. Okay, so now we're ready to pipe our borders, and we're gonna be using a small round tip. We're using our BakeDeco number 3. But you can just cut a hole into your piping bag or use a number 2 or any small round tip. And we're just going to leave little spaces. And this is really going to make it pop. Are you able to see what I'm piping? Now we're going to go along the top of our border. And we're going to use the same technique. We're going to be leaving spaces and gaps in between. And next, we're going to outline our swirls. And these are 3 layers each. So we're going to be creating 3 layers of lines. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.